Here we are, Hawkeye Community College, and today I've got the students. They're working on their tile layouts, and we're going to be making a grid here shortly. But we want, and Geral's here is a great example. We want a balanced layout. And what I want to show you here is what I'm showing them. Is Geral has right there, you can see, this was purposely done by the way, that his layout, if he starts at the center point of his room, he is going to end up with some, ugly looking cuts. So what he's doing right now is he's figuring out, he's been instructed on how to figure out how to split that, how to make that so the cuts are half the width of the tile or greater. Freddie's over there, he's getting started, figuring out his center points. Aiden's doing the same thing. And then Mr. Speedway himself, Darlington, rocking and rolling, doing the same thing over here. So it's going to be kind of an exciting day. These guys, this is the fun part of the class here. They're getting to the part where they get to work with their hands, put these, all these practical stuff we've been talking about the last couple days, get that into use. And again, let's face it, this is the fun part of the class is setting the tile. Even the instructor, he's doing a little bit of work. So we're a little bit further through the day, and you can see their modules are really taking shape. And it's been kind of fun because now they're really understanding the importance of this balanced layout. Each one of these modules is a little bit different size, but when we got going this morning, everything I was talking about was really new to these guys. Nobody has ever worked with tile before. And so imagine, you're sitting in a classroom and you've got an instructor talking about something you've never even heard of. You've walked on a floor, but you've never, ever laid a floor. So very proud of how far we've come the last 3 days, setting our modules up, getting underlayment installed, working on laying our tile out, making a layout, and now we're not going to thin set anything down until next week. I really just want the guys to work, really focus on cutting tile, paying attention to their layouts, understanding why it's important, and one step at a time, right? So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned because there's going to be some more. I'm here for a couple weeks yet, and I'm going to be sharing as much as I can with you. Have a great day.